Emva kokuthi tinkantolo tikhokhe sijubo sekuthi igciniwe Fakutse, sangacala angene ehhovisi njengemphathi lomusha womasipala waseMbabane. Namuhla bekuyiloke ilanga lakhe lekucala emsebentini. Fakutse wethembisile kukokuthi njengoba sahlangene nalo lonke-ke libandla lakumasipala, tokwenza isiciniseko sokuthi wenta ngako konke lokusemandleni kokuthi umsebenzi ube ngiloyo lohamba kahle khona-ke kumasipala waseMbabane.
Kwi-first day yami njengosesengimbonile, I had the privilege of meeting the executive yalakhaya. Passionate professionals who understand ukuthi what does it mean kuba i-servant yabantu. Kusebenzela ke bantu kulukhuni. But if you do it from a space lesithi ngidele umsebenzi ngidele kutoba sisebenzi sebantu. Na usebenzela abantu kutaba khona bugudlugudlu. Labanye abakuva uhamba nabo baze bakufe. Nguphi vele lawa kwafika khona bakuvulela iminyango bashaya itandla. Nalabo longeva wena ngathi abakuva basuke bakubonisa lenye ihlangothi somhlamba ulibona. Emadolobheni nami ngilambabane takhamiti telidolobha nemaswati nje ongana lidolobha litimisele kusebenza. Ngifikile lana kulanga lami lekucala yonke indzawo la ngihamba khona. I've had the privilege of talking to a few of people that have been and work for Mbabane. Nine bantu labafuna kusebenza lidolobha lifuna kusebenza. Ivision yedolobha inkulu na wonke lucashwa lidolobha. Even as I am joining ukuthi ngena at the level the highest ungena emkhathini noma ungena phansi lokusalako sonke sibambe yinye emaswati agathi intuthuko eMbabane. If I'm a citizen and a ratepayer eMbabane, every day I open the papers I want to see ukuthi Mbabane so improve kuphi and how is that changing my life. My business have invested millions in Mbabane. Takamiti tinemakhaya abo. Nami ngisakamiti eMbabane. I need this town function now. Ipledge yami nami working with this amazing team, yes, in Mbabane, Kudel Gabas de Gitzalotran, we will continue to serve and we will continue to win back a trust Yamaswati. Lel Dolopa, Lengwenyama Leli, Limvile Ngwe. Ngwe requires all of us to put this process back in bill. Sita usebenda, kuta usebendega, nami ngiyajabula, and ngiyachubeka that what I stood up for, ngoba le advert ngayibone ephepheni ngathi ngiyafuna kusebenda. Now sukuma usebendele emadolobha kufuneka ukuthi itshintshe kancane ukukhumbude ukuthi this is a thankless job. Vela ungedele itoshayelwa tandla, akusiye iBT show lena, akusine concert, sitosebenda. Sikhwicile and we shall work as best as we can as a team lekhona eMbabane.
Bese ke sokhuthata nabo ke bonke bantwana ke bamantombazane noma ke bonke abantu abomake ukuthi bakholelwe ekuthenini bangaba ngiloko labafisile kubangiko njengoba naye angimake wekucala ukuthi angaba ngumphathi wamasipala waseMbabane. Zabente channel eMaswati bikancedile mamba natutu dube eMbabane.